the 5th year.
And we are gonna cover everything for the 2025 season. All the haunts, all the scare zones, all the food, all the places you can get some poison drinks at. So let's get our scream on, thrill seekers, and go on this Howl-O-Scream adventure that rocks. Love the fog coming in. And a bit lost in the dark, just look for these event maps scattered around the park, or just download the map right into your phone.
So we have access to a premier tasting lanyard, which includes 5 drinks and 2 entrees. So guess who's gonna be getting those drinks? Can't wait to see which ones I'm gonna get.
And I'm gonna be covering everything through those haunted houses.
Amazing.
So together we hope to give you a complete overview of SeaWorld Orlando's Howl-O-Scream. For those that may not have attended a Howl-O-Scream here at SeaWorld Orlando, Sandy, what should they start with?
Right here at the entrance at 7 o'clock, Havoc comes out and says, "Welcome to Howl-O-Scream." And then the gates open to the rest of the park.
And then the party gets to kicking.
Yeah, let's go.
We are entering Ashes of the Forgotten.
Come on, be the brave one. There you are. Yeah! Woo-hoo!
You're gonna notice right away that you're in an abandoned scrapyard. This looks like not a place to park your car. Looking for pizza in Ashes of the Forgotten. When you come in, look for this sign and just turn to the left. Flames Pizza, Buffalo Pizza, crispy chicken, buffalo, blue cheese drizzle, $18.99, and you're gonna, or a monster pizza deal, and you're gonna get that right here at Flames Pizza. If you don't want to get scared, they do have the no boo necklaces for $19.99. These people will just park anywhere. After you walk through Ashes of the Forgotten, which way do you go? We are walking through the flood light districts.
Jeez. Hello. Oh yeah.
We go into the orphanage. What could go wrong? I like the little doll up there.
Mommy and Daddy don't want you anymore.
No, you do? Oh, look at. I will try.
How was it? What was it called?
It was called the Widow's Nest.
Okay.
You go through a Victorian orphanage where things got a little crazy in there.
It got crazy? How crazy?
Crazy with the sewing machine, crazy with yarn.
Sewing machine.
Oh, yeah.
Yarn? Okay.
Oh yeah.
Is there like cats? Are there cat ladies?
I didn't see cat ladies. I
Oh,
saw
okay.
old ladies with
Old ladies.
that want to, like, I guess, stitch everybody up.
Ooh. Okay.
That's my best guess.
Yeah. Yikes.
This
And
is
hey,
like yarn and bones and stuff like that spray painted everywhere.
Really? All right. Well, hey, I got my vampire blood drink at Jack the Ripper Eats, so cheers.
All right. Unfortunate, where you can get teriyaki chicken, California rolls, egg rolls, and a Black Widow drink. lurk in the bushes. Monster Stomp, Sandy.
I love that show.
It is really
so
good.
Yes.
It is definitely a musical, I think.
Oh yeah, 100%. I mean, the voice of that main actress and Jack the Ripper is incredible.
And they open the doors 30 minutes before showtime.
Yeah.
And we highly recommend get here early to get a good seat. Right in front of Monster Stomp is where you'll find Jack the Ripper Eats. You know what every Howl-O-Scream haunted event needs?
Oh, wow.
Bubbles coming out of a skull.
Oh, me?
Yeah, oh, you. There you go. There you go.
Everyone's logging for the Insta-Talk.
I don't got a light. That is your, is that your pool? Why is, this is no way to treat a pet around here. Oh, he must be trick-or-treating.
He's knocking on the door. Why is he knocking on the door?
Just another day relaxing by the pool. Something seems awry in the cornfield. Spaceship. You know, this is an outside and indoor haunt. Do you have any biscuits? Let's take a look inside Space Gate 3. Just to show you one of the themed bars that they do have out here at SeaWorld Orlando.
I don't know, man. We got standards here. This is a little bit too crazy for me. Go well on top.
All right. Oh no. Time to check out the Water's Edge Wellness Center. I'm always looking for a new place to stay. Time to check out the Wellness Center. It looks awfully charming.
Welcome.
Thank you.
We've been waiting for you. We have all the help you need.
Time to change your nails. No, stop saying that. They don't work.
The Wellness Center is a lot of fun. Might be my favorite haunted house out here at Howl-O-Scream at SeaWorld Orlando. However, it's got 2 more to tackle. But I love the theming. I love the details. You went in like, I've never seen the use of IV bags the way they were using them. And you had to walk and navigate your way through the tubes. I mean, you had a receptionist. You had a doctor's office. But that one was just too dark to film. I mean, highly, highly recommend taking the time to go through that wellness center. Next up is Rave. It's supposed to be a crazy dance party inside a graveyard, and it's time we go check it out. Time to enter the rave. Where's that graveyard? Through the iron gates. Now this is a party. Look at this.
Get out!
Let's party. Oh yeah. Collector's Curse. A collection of all kinds of oddities. This could be a lot of fun. I hear there's an estate sale going on, so let's go. Oh, estate sale going on.
I never see people leave that place.
Uh-oh.
Gives me the creeps.
Look at what he's done to me!
I'm looking at what he's done to these people.
Get me out of here!
I gotta say, did you see that 2 or 3-headed monster with those super long tongues? That dude had quite the collection in there. This is probably the haunt that I didn't get to capture a lot of footage because it was very dark in there. Now up ahead, this is the scare zone we very first entered during the daytime, and now you get to see it lit up at night.
But look around, the fire's here, the fury's now, and I'm not done until the sky bleeds. So remember my name, this ain't the end of the world, it's the start of mine, and tonight, Havoc reigns.
Well, as you can see, we ran out of time out of SeaWorld Orlando's Howl-O-Scream.
Yeah, it goes fast.
It really does. There's so much more we wanted to show you. There's still one scare zone, Echoes in Glass. I didn't get to cover. We did go through all the haunted houses.
Is that the one where I spilled my drink all over myself?
That would be the one. I wish we could have caught that on camera. And I wish we could have covered more of the food and more of the drinks. Like I said, we just ran out of time. It goes so fast.
Yeah.
We want to thank SeaWorld Orlando so much for having us out at this year's Howl-O-Scream 5 Years of Fear. Huge congrats, SeaWorld Orlando, for putting on, once again, another epic Halloween event in the Orlando area. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet,
What you waiting for?
because you really never know where we're going to end up next, like in that haunted house behind us. Can I get Sandy in there? We hope you enjoyed this ultimate guide to all things SeaWorld Orlando Howl-O-Scream for 2025. Make each and every day include those nights that might have some tricks or treats and adventure that rocks.